Make a great choice today with the 2016 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, M Sport package, rain sensing wipers, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.